welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is a traditional mutton recipe, kosha mangsho or Bengali mutton kosha. This recipe is a slow cooked mutton recipe in which the curry becomes thick, dark and velvety and the mutton pieces become soft and tender. This is one of our favorite recipes. So let's get started with the preparation. At first, wash the mutton pieces thoroughly and pat dry them. For mutton marination, we need mutton 1 kilo, onion paste 4 tablespoons, yogurt 1/3 cup, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Now let's marinate the mutton. In a mixing bowl, combine all the ingredients together. After mixing, pour the mixture on the pat-dried mutton pieces and mix everything very well. Now add 1 tablespoon mustard oil and give a good mix. Using mustard oil at this point is optional. Give the marinated mutton rest for around 6 to 8 hours. Now the ingredients we need to prepare mutton kosha. Marinated mutton, mustard oil 1/4 cup, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, ghee 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, green chili 4 pieces, dry red chili 4 pieces, bay leaf 4 pieces, cinnamon 2 sticks 1 inch each, clove 8 pieces, cardamom 8 pieces, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, yogurt 3 tablespoons, onion slices 3 cups or 4 medium size onions. Now in a mixing bowl, mix all the dry spices, that is turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. Add little water and make a paste. After you prepare the paste, keep it aside. Also beat the yogurt until lump free and keep aside. Heat mustard oil in a large heavy bottom pan or a karai. Heat it till smoking hot. Then reduce the flame to medium and temper the hot oil with bay leaf, dry red chili, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves. Let them crackle for a minute. Next add the sliced onions and saute them in a medium heat until translucent or about 8 to 10 minutes. Sprinkle a pinch of salt for the onions to cook faster. Then add ginger paste and garlic paste. Saute them for 5 minutes more. Then add green chilies and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the spice paste and saute them until the onion spice mixture turns deep brown in color. Finally, add the marinated mutton and stir them well with the spice mixture. There are no special ingredients to make a good mutton kosha. All it takes is patience. Now, cover and cook the mutton for 5 to 7 minutes on high flame and stir in between. After 7 minutes, remove the lid, add in the beaten yogurt and mix it very well. From now onwards, you need to cook the mutton on low, covering the pot with a heavy lid and stirring them occasionally to ensure the spices do not stick to the bottom of the pan. You won't need to add any water as the mutton itself will release a lot of water while you cover and cook. Adjust seasoning when oil starts releasing and the mutton starts becoming brown. I added 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon sugar. It would take about an hour and a half on low heat to completely cook the mutton until they turn buttery soft. Try poking a piece of meat with the edge of a spoon, and if the meat falls apart easily, mutton is fully cooked. Mutton kosha is an iconic Bengali delicacy. Kosha means slow cooking a gravy over low flame for a very long time to get a rich, dark brown gravy and melt in mouth mutton pieces. Dear friends, if you enjoyed the recipe, give it a like, share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Finally, add ghee on top and give a final mix and serve the mutton kosha with plain hot basmati rice or luchi, the deep fried puffed bread made with all-purpose flour or maida. Bengali style mutton kosha is worth slogging in the kitchen for hours. So don't give a miss with this beauty. Good luck in the kitchen. Share your feedback about this recipe with me in the comment section below. You can also follow or message me on Instagram, where I share even more recipes and pretty pictures. I have shared the link in description below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.